What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm, providing you one inspiration at a time. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please remember to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. For those of you who are coming back, thank you very much for your support. I do appreciate it. Beautiful people, today I'm going to be making another interesting meal for you. It's still veganuary, guys. And so I'm going to whip up something that you will enjoy. So what I'm going to be doing for you today, I'm going to be doing a spinach coconut rice for you. So if you want to learn more about that, stay tuned. So to my rice, I will be adding 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of butter. Now to my pot, I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of coconut powder. This brand, but you can use whatever brand you have, or you can use the equivalent of the milk. Now guys, I'm going to blend 1 cup of spinach into a puree and add that to my pot. So this is my spinach. I'll be adding 1 cup of water and blend that into a puree. Mixture is finished blending, and I'm going to be adding that to my pot. Sorry for the mess. So my mixture is now in the pot. I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick stir. So guys, I blended my spinach because I want my children to eat without picking anything from their food, and this is additional protein that I'm adding to the meal as well, right? Or if you blend it and cook it, because if you boil it, the result will still be the same. So now I'm going to go ahead and wash my rice while I let you see some of the benefits of coconut and spinach on the screen. For my meal, I'll be using a cup and a half of basmati rice. Again, guys, you can use whichever rice you have. I'm using basmati. So my pot is now ready for my rice. I'm going to go ahead and put my rice in. We give it a quick stir. So when you finish with your rice, guys, it's gonna be green. Just adding some flavor and variation to your plate. I'm gonna allow this to cook for about 10-15 minutes. Let me check on my rice. Alright guys, once it is boiling, then you remove your lid and allow it to cook for the rest of the time. The flavor gives it a nice smell. So I'm just gonna give it a quick stir so that everything is coming together nicely. And again, guys, if you find that your rice is sticking to the pot, you can go ahead and put on a second burner on that just to help that. I'm just gonna raise my pot a little so it does not burn. So that's what I'm doing there. Look how pretty, look how lovely this rice looks. You can take out the pepper now, so you don't want it to burn or burst. We're gonna allow it now to simmer for another 5 minutes. Now guys, my rice is finished. I am going to serve that up with some nice curry chickpeas for you. So there you have my lovely meal, my lovely people. My spinach, coconut rice served with 2 slices of plantain, some curry chickpeas, and a quick toss salad here. And for my salad, I just used cucumbers and bell pepper. Toss in a little bit of olive oil and garlic. I think that going vegan was hard. You might want to try and give it, guys. Bye for now. Remember, it's your girl, Inspiring Charm. Remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Tell me if you have ever tried this meal and how it turned out for you. Bye for now. Until next time. Adios.